Welcome back. For many, a new year means those resolutions, right? For better nutrition. So joining us now for tips on achieving those New Year goals with nutrition and health communications, the manager here for Dole Food Company. Thank you so much, Melanie Marcus. You're here to tell us how to jazz up our dishes, simple things at home we can do to stay on track to be healthy this year, right? So first, the all-important mac and cheese for any family with kids, right? So what do you say? How can you make that healthier?
So first of all, adding fruits and vegetables to any meal is one of the most important things you can do for your health, no matter where you're starting. So mac and cheese is a family favorite. Here we've added a butternut squash puree and we've included arugula. So we have a special recipe for this on Dole.com, but you can take the recipe that your family already knows and loves and think about, can I add butternut squash? Do I want to add pureed carrots? Can I just add some broccoli florets or cauliflower to kind of amp up the nutrition? And it doesn't sound like a lot, but if you do this meal after meal, day after day, it counts, and it really makes a difference.
And you can fool the kids because it looks exactly the same as just very cheesy mac and cheese, but that's actually butternut squash mixed in there. Okay, perfect. And how about trying to make a healthier plan for food in terms of grab-and-go stuff you prep ahead? Right,
yes, and recipes. When you say, hey, I want to do plant-based, I'm committing to it, it's easy to get overwhelmed because you see something like this. This is our buffalo cauliflower and chickpea wrap, which is
switch
really
out something that you would normally use meat in and try a plant option, right?
Absolutely. But you can go anywhere and get recipe inspiration and find like 5-10 recipes that you want to create over the week and get, overwhelmed. If you're creating dinners, after work between 5 and 7, you don't have a lot of time. So only start with 1 or 2 recipes.
Okay.
Here, we want to bring the trends home. Bowls are everywhere, right? Like poke bowls, Mediterranean bowls. We have a couple of tips. You always want to start with your greens and your grains.
Looks great.
You need to have 2. I like to put my grains, like my rice, on top of my greens. And
so
then
these grains right here. Right? Okay.
And then make it colorful. And this is where it becomes like fun for the kids. Research shows that when kids are involved in preparing their meals, they're more likely to eat them. So if you let them pick from what you have out, it's more likely to get into their mouth. And then make sure you add a protein option. Chickpeas are a great option. And I will say, you don't want to skimp on the dressing. When you're eating a plant-based lifestyle, you want to be able to absorb all of the nutrients from your foods, and the fat in your dressing is going to help you do that.
That's
an important piece.
What we've learned so much in terms of dieting and healthy nutrition is that those dressings and sauces are bad for you, but in this case, if you do have a healthy fat-based dressing, you're saying it's good.
Absolutely.
And
you want to make the most
protein,
out of that.
right? With the chickpeas. Getting those in there.
Lentils would be another good option. And if you're using a plant-based protein like tofu or chickpeas or beans, it often has less sodium, more fiber, and it's more affordable than maybe some of those more processed items that you might find at the grocery store.
And this is so great. I love how you lay it out like this and let everyone make their own bowl, because moms don't have to cook then, or dads don't have to cook.
And it's a great way to use leftovers too. So if you made falafel or you have meatballs or something, anything in the fridge, even roasted vegetables. I saw that like baked salad is a thing now. So you could take all warm roasted vegetables, reheat them, and add your dressing and have a warm salad.
All right. Okay, I'm just going to put some dressing on there. You say more is good.
Yep, and then top it off with something crunchy if you haven't already.
All right, and take a look at these. Perfect for the Valentine's Day holiday coming up. Dole has some new smoothies.
Yes, so don't underestimate your smoothies when you are creating healthy meals and going for plant-based diets. This one is a raspberry smoothie. It uses yogurt as the base with some ice. It is thick. This one actually has basil and avocado, banana, and a little bit of lemon juice. So I think there's spring mix in here too.
Really good. You feel like you're healthy just drinking this. You could turn it around.
So we love smoothies all year round at Dole. We'll go more into the whips, Dole Whip. Everyone's familiar with Dole Whip. We love creating new flavors in the summertime, but we just don't want you to get stuck in a rut, so you can find all of our recipes on Dole.com.
This makes you feel so healthy drinking this. Okay, we want those recipes for sure, so make sure you check out Dole.com. Thank you so much, Melanie, for these tips, and this is delicious. Thank you.
My pleasure.
I'll send it to you, Maria.
I'm getting so jealous looking at you guys. You know, you guys know I grew up in Hawaii, so I grew up around dole. This is my thing, and I love the dole whip. I didn't realize that you've put it on the website now, all those recipes. That is so fun. That looks so good. Don't forget to add that, not just the bananas, but the pineapple is always really good in those smoothies. We try to do that.